In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an Upstream O2 sensor on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the vehicle on the left and right side on either side of the transmission. We're going to reach up to the connector and pull that lock out. And then we're going to have a tab on top. Ours looks to be broken, but you should have to pull a tab right over that sharp piece and then pull straight down. There should be a square tab that sits on the end of this that you'll have to pick up over that other connector, and then it'll come right out. Using a 7/8 socket or a 22, we're going to remove the Upstream O2 sensor. Remove the O2 sensor. Remove the cap from the new O2 sensor and get it installed. Start it by hand. Snug it down. You'll feel the crush washer crush. Install the connector. Install the connector up into place. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the green lock through the connector to lock that connector in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.